Hello, my name is James Lopez. This is going to be a short video on how to open and close Outlook. One of the issues I had was when I was running my Gmail and then my Outlook delete programs. I would run the programs, then what would happen is that I'd come back and I have some emails that weren't included and deleted. So, because of that, I decided to go ahead and write this little short program. And what this does is just opens and closes, just depending on where it's at. I could have it open and it'll close it, or I don't have it open and it'll open it here. It'll pause for like 120 minutes or 2 minutes to let the emails come in, and then after that it'll close it, right? One of the things I did was also is I wrote this short, everything I write is a bat file. So instead of me incorporating everything in the program, I just let the bat file run it, and I just execute the bat file. This is the destination, where I got my Python, and this is the program. So I run that. So the first thing I do is I hit the bat file. I just hit a shortcut, and what that does is just runs this open and close. So it opens and closes it, then it deletes my outbox, and then it does my Gmail. I had them separated. Now I got them combined because I didn't have Gmail inside my Outlook, so I can just run one of them. But I had them separated, so I did Outlook inbox, then I did Gmail inbox after I did the open. But this only opens Outlook. I didn't have a problems with my Gmail because for some reason I didn't have that issue, but I did have it with Outlook. So open, close Outlook, it updates all the emails. Run the delete older than 30 days on my Outlook, and then run my Gmail. And after you run it, you'll get something like this. I already ran it. We don't have to wait 120 minutes. And then what this bat file does, it runs it here and it runs it there, the two separate ones. And it's just a little short program that I'm going to put on YouTube, so that way you can use it. And it's been beneficial. It helps. I still use it, but I don't use it with this bat file. I use it independently. But that's how you do it with a bat file. And also with this bat file, you can make a scheduled task if you want to. In Outlook, it deletes them. It didn't purge. And also on Gmail, I delete, I don't purge. So anyway, share it. And if you have any comments, go ahead and comment. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye.